occurs to me, it's really clear, travel, thoughtful travel, is well worth the time and the money. Travel opens us up to the wonders of our world. In so many ways, it helps you appreciate nature. And I learned once again that fear, and there's a lot of it in our society, fear is, to me, for people who don't get out very much. A great thing about travel is it connects you with people. Now, appreciating the value of travel is nothing new. Muhammad said, don't tell me how educated you are, tell me how much you've traveled. You've traveled. I've traveled, and travel has inspired me to be engaged and to do what I can to make a difference. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Just putting out videos of black people fighting, or, you know what I'm saying, negativity that'll get on YouTube and get 100,000 views in 3 days. You're not doing that. So you're doing something that's positive that people with a right mind is going to pick up on. So yeah, it's going to move slow, it's going to take its time, but you know what I'm saying, once that start getting, then okay, boom, hey.
Remember those who lost their lives.
And pay tribute to the emergency responders,
Police officers, firefighters,
and medical professionals for putting their lives on the line to protect us.
for giving us hope, for showing us the impact of community and the power of the human spirit.
We dedicate this night to you, all of you.
United we stand, and together we are made strong.
Okay, so I got $2 in my pocket. Had an interview tomorrow, but I called them and said cancel the interview, and I have no job. I'm serious about